Ayan, good afternoon, sisters! Ayan, sa suot naman tayo ni si Sam. Kasya ng small to medium size. Soft linen yung fabric, adjustable strap. Mine Lolita Black. 680 pesos, making din siya sa likod. Ayan, ulitin ko, sisters. Kasya ng small to medium. Mine Lolita Black. I'm the operations director of Core Virtual Mall. I actually joined this year lang, February, pero they started way back 3 years ago. One of our owners, Jane Regasa, parang nag-stop siya na mag-cruise. She has a lot of clothes galing sa barko. Then, she decided na ibenta yon. Nung first time niya magbenta, it was a massive success. So that's the time that they thought of really building a brand. So that's the time that they decided to create a brand, which is a Fab Dolls online shop. Tapos, nagkaroon na ulit ng second brand, which is RM, hanggang sa napanganak na yung iba pang mga brands. This year actually, ngayon lang na-create yung Core Virtual Mall, which cater all the 5 brands that we have right now. So, it started with Fab Dolls online shop. It sells pre-loved clothes. RM, premium shop. It also sells pre-loved clothes. Trendy, we offer locally made brand new clothes. Opa, for men's apparel naman siya. And we have Curvilicious for our curvy sisters. So, those are the 5 brands that we have. How does the cycle, no? So, it depends kung alin yung brand na pag-usapan natin. For pre-love, definitely, we have, suppliers. And then, we sell it sa live selling. Sa isang page, 3 lives yung gumagana sa isang araw. We start from 9 a.m., minsan nag-i-end hanggang 11 p.m. Yung traditional live selling, nililista mo, ini-encode kung sino nakamay. Tapos, once we have that list, ipapack, tapos the next day ang shipping. We also offer different payment method na eh. It can be through COD. We also offer payment first na through GCash, banks, and payment remittances. That's how the cycle of our pre-love. Sa brand new items natin, because we want to make sure na yung vision talaga is yung ma-promote yung quality at saka support local brand. So, we have created our own production team. So, may sarili tayong warehouse that gives the highest standard na nire-require ng brand natin. And then doon, sinusort pa yan. Quality, sorting, checking. Tapos, that's the only time na pag pumasa siya, with our own designs with our own R&D team, i-forward na siya sa live. Then, regular live selling, yun yung makikita nyo sa Trendy, Curvilicious. We actually call them models, Barbies, we call them DJs, we call them hosts. So, yeah, I'm glad that you mentioned that. Kasi that's one of the good things na maipagmamalaki talaga ng Core Virtual Mall. We were able to adapt with the situation, and that's good thing kasi pagdating sa business. Hindi natigil yung operations, instead, nag-progress pa siya. That means that we have more employees kasi mas maraming manpower. We also have management team, we have rank and file, we have HR, we have recruitment. So it's basically, the traditional corporate world. So ganun na siya ngayon, galaki. From isang kwarto that has 3 to 5 employees to 167 employees right now.
Wow!
In less than 1 year. So, ganun siya kabilis.
I'm May Pabasa po from Angeles City. Before, model ako sa Fab. So, nag-start po ako sa Core Virtual Mall last October, last year. Ang masaya po kasi dito, nag-work ka at the same time, since nagmo-model din po kami, parang gusto mo talaga yung ginagawa mo. Before kami mag-start, magre-ready kami ng mga pang-intro namin ng mga susuotin, then magme-makeup. Tapos, i-set na po yan sa phone, yung caption. Tapos, start na po mag-live. Kausapin yung mga viewers, magpa-mind. Lalo na kung gusto nyo rin yung mga ganito, yung susuot ng iba't ibang damit, nagmo-model, tsaka kung marunong kang makipag-interact sa mga audience, ayan, marunong ka mag-project, hindi ka mahiyain, pasok ka dito.
Lods, ako nga pala si Clerk Leader Bautista. Sobrang happy ko, sir, kasi sa totoo lang, bali yung 6 months na kontrata, sir. Abot ng 126K yun, sir. Kasama ko nagtatrabaho dito, sir. Sobrang bait talaga, wala akong masabi, sa totoo lang. Kasi kung sa ibang trabaho, sir, hindi ganito eh. Kaso hindi ko nagustuhan. Dito talaga yung nagustuhan. Nire-recommend ko po talaga, sir, kasi sobrang dito, sobrang saya, tapos yung sa sahod, sir, wala kang din problema.
Core Virtual Mall is open to really, house you and to really, give you the job and the career that you needed at this time. Mga balak mag-invest, actually, there are a lot of people who are already parang reaching out. And for those na interested, and of course, I definitely encourage someone, it might be you, makakasama namin dito sa Core Virtual Mall, please feel free to reach out. We will be opening for investors then. And with the current, performance that we have, the performance would really speak for ourselves in terms of credibility-wise. It's a growing company, and we wanna grow with you. We are also opening our doors for investors, not just to add up, our capital, but really to help out them. We wanna help out din yung mga local businesses natin na gustong lumaki kagaya ng mga brands na ini-endorse namin. So, we're open for collaboration. Sa ating mga sisters, beshies, marshies, Zizams, and mga kalods, I wanna thank you for supporting definitely our brands, Opa, Trendy, Curvilicious, Fab Dolls Online Shop, and RM Shop Premium. Kasi without you, hindi naman magiging ganito kalaki and ganito ka-successful ang ating company. Inaanyayahan ko din kayo na i-follow and supportahan din si Core Virtual Mall para mas marami pa tayong local businesses na mai-support at mapalaki kagaya natin. So, abangan nyo yung mga new products natin. We'll launch jewelries, footwear, bags, accessories, and skincare and cosmetics, definitely. Wish granted, ika nga.